If you ever thought about making money on Etsy during the holiday season, now is the perfect time to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tap into the holiday market by selling Christmas products on Etsy through print on demand. Be sure to tap that subscribe button below and watch till the end because I'm going to show you a mini tutorial of how you can take what you learned from this video and put it into action today. Before we talk about the top 3 Christmas products on Etsy, let's talk about why this is such an amazing opportunity. People are already making bank selling Christmas products on Etsy, and it's only September. With the holidays right around the corner, sales are about to skyrocket. When I type the word Christmas into the Etsy search, I can see that thousands of people are already shopping for Christmas related products. So what are the top 3 Christmas products that can help you cash in on Etsy? First up, we have ornaments. Christmas ornaments are a fantastic Etsy product because they're sentimental and customizable, and people love to decorate their trees with unique ornaments, and you can offer them just that. Whether it's personalized family names, cute holiday designs, or even custom pet ornaments, the possibilities are endless. I use Printify to fulfill all of my Etsy orders, and they actually have a variety of really great quality ornaments for you to put your designs on and sell through print on demand. I'm going to use EVERBEE Product Analytics to show you how much these ornaments are actually bringing in already this month. This is what's coming up for us. I'm going to come over here to the monthly revenue and click this down arrow. As you can see, this one right here is bringing in over $15,000 revenue this month. They've made over 600 sales this month. Let's click on it to see more. This is a customized photo ornament, and they've made a total of 7,570 sales for this ornament in the last year. This is something simple that you can definitely do through print on demand. You would just set up your Etsy listings so that the customer can send you their photo and their information. They would be able to type in the personalization box here, and when an order comes in, you would manually add that photo and their information within Printify. Yes, it's a little extra work, but customized products seriously go a really long way. Here's another one. This listing has made a total of 16,519 sales, and it's super simple. Basically, they keep the Mr. and Mrs. and the trees, and then whenever someone orders, they tweak their designs. Printify actually has a wooden heart ornament that you can make similar to this one. Again, we are just getting inspiration from these listings. We are not going to copy them. Here's another personalized Christmas ornament. It's made over 6,000 sales in about a year. As you can see, Christmas ornaments is where the money is at this holiday season, especially if you make them customizable. Next on the list, we've got sweatshirts. As the weather gets colder, people start looking for cozy and festive attire. Think ugly Christmas sweater parties or just like snuggling up on the couch. But make sure you steer away from designs that can potentially be trademarked. You don't want your Etsy shop to be shut down. Using EVERBEE, we're going to see which sweatshirts are bringing in the most this month already. Wow, so this one right here, this is actually a Halloween one, so we're gonna skip over that one. And so is this. They must have had Christmas sweatshirt in their keywords, and that's why it's popping up here. But I want to take a look primarily at sweatshirts. Here's one right here, and it's a simple Christmas tree sweatshirt. It made over 1,500 sales and is bringing in about this much already this month. And as you can see, it's a fairly simple design and it's a bestseller. So this one will surely skyrocket as we get closer to the holidays. And here is a super sweet Nutcracker sweatshirt, and it is sold over 3,000 times, bringing in over $4,000 revenue this month. And remember, this is just one listing in their shop. They might have many more bestsellers that are bringing in that many sales monthly. My favorite sweatshirt to use is Gildan 18,000. And third on the list, we've got Christmas stockings. These are an essential part to holiday traditions, and you can offer your customers stockings with their names, unique designs, and even matching sets for the whole family. As you can see, this top listing here is bringing in over $25,000 revenue this month. They have made a total of 26,743 sales all together on just this one listing. It's a bestseller and it's customizable. Printify even has a variety of stockings to choose from. And for a bonus item, consider offering custom wrapping paper. It's a unique touch that customers love to add to their holiday presents. Here's an example of one that has already made 2,470 sales, and it is literally just this simple but beautiful pattern to print. Once again, Printify has a variety of wrapping paper that you can choose from. It might even be fun to offer a personalized wrapping paper. Now that we know what to sell, let's talk about how you can do it easily through print on demand using Printify. Okay, I'm here on Printify, and I'm just going to show you how to create a custom Christmas stocking in just a few simple steps. I had the idea of making a stocking for cat owners, but it is first important to do a little research to see if this is in demand prior to designing. I am able to see that cat stockings are selling. However, I'm going to change my mind and make a personalized pet stocking, taking inspiration from this one here. It has made 322 sales this month. Now time to design. I'm in Canva, going to create a design. I'm going to do 5,000 by 5,000 to ensure a really good print quality. I'm also going to take a screenshot of the stocking since it's like an awkward shape and bring it into my canvas. I'll delete this later, but I'm going to make my design on top of this. I can design in here, or I can head over to Creative Fabrica. They offer thousands of designs that are for print on demand usage, and I always just tweak the designs a little bit to be safe and also to stick out amongst other Etsy sellers that might be using that same design. Let's search paw prints. By the way, I have 10 free downloads for Creative Fabrica in my description below. Here is the perfect one. I'm going to download this and bring it into Canva where I can add to it. All right, I am now scaling it to fit within the dotted lines of the template. I'm going to type in an example pet name up here and maybe even add the year down here. We can play around with it. Let's think of a pet name. We go to the text here, add text box. I'm just going to type in Sparky for this. And you can change the font. I'm also adding First Christmas to fill up more of that space. Now adding the year and pulling it down here. Now we can delete the stocking template background, and I'm going to save this as a PNG file, transparent background. Then I'm going to come over to Printify and click My Device to upload my design. Scale it to fit. Click to preview. Here is what it would look like. And here is what it would look like hanging from a mantle. Then you click Save Product and fill out the rest of your listing, then publish to your Etsy shop. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to make a side income selling Christmas products on Etsy through print on demand. If you have any questions or need any information, drop those questions in my comment section below. Let's make this holiday season the most profitable one yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.